Definitely. Yeah, do you think? Look how expensive. Yeah. Whip wire? Whip wire? Cord? Never mind. Well, duh. Oh yeah, pull the ferry. Dig it out. Awesome. Show us the sheep. What about sheep? Oh, what the? Oh my god, they're not sheep, the pig. Oh wait, no, they aren't.
Stage 2 of the Redstone lawnmower inspection is to try and burn down all the grass.
Oh, stupid sheep. They're gonna die in the stupid fire.
We'll actually start setting the lawn on fire.
They'll put TNT.
It's a lot of the talk. So the final stage of the Redstone lawnmower's action is, well, we'll see that in a moment. Here we go. A little bit of TNT. I'd like some TNT.
Wait.
All that extra tall the grass all over your lawn, and make sure the don't complain about your lawn. Now my lawn started looking quite beautiful.
Yeah.
Got the fire burning. TNT blowing up.
Keep blowing up.
Let's take a look inside. The Redstone lawnmower. It's actually all built in vanilla.
Well, wait, vanilla? How do you build it? Like, go hard.
Really dedicated. There's a lot of hopper timers.
Awesome.
A lot of delays.
Awesome.
You just stand kind of pull them out of their spot. Yeah, I'm not going to go over all the list orders. This one is that it is all Redstone here. Pretty cool. That lawn, it's good. Oh, look at this. So nice. That's about it. Thanks for watching.
How are you guys doing? Bye.